Why was Voir so crucial in the Casey Anthony trial? Imagine sitting in a courtroom where the whole world is watching, and every word could influence the outcome. That was exactly the challenge in the Casey Anthony case. The process called voir dire, which means questioning potential jurors before the trial begins, played a huge role in shaping the jury. Why? Because this case had so much media coverage and public opinion swirling around it, finding unbiased jurors was like searching for a needle in a haystack. During voir dire, lawyers asked potential jurors about what they knew of the case, their feelings about the death penalty, and whether they could judge fairly despite all the headlines. Many people had already formed strong opinions about Casey Anthony's guilt or innocence from news stories and social media. The goal was to find jurors who could put aside those opinions and focus only on the evidence presented in court. This was vital because the Sixth Amendment guarantees everyone a fair trial by an impartial jury. Another reason voir dire was so important was the risk of confirmation bias. Many jurors had been exposed to years of news coverage, which could make them favor information that confirmed what they already believed. The lawyers needed to see if jurors could set aside those beliefs and evaluate the evidence objectively. The trial was expected to last several weeks, so the process also helped identify jurors who could commit to the entire duration. If someone couldn't serve for the full time, they might have been dismissed to avoid delays. The process also addressed jurors' expectations about the case. Some thought Casey Anthony had to testify to prove her innocence, but the defense decided not to have her take the stand. Jurors needed to understand that the burden of proof was on the prosecution, not the defendant. Because the case was so high-profile, the court even broadcast parts of the voir dire to the public, but they kept jurors' identities private. This step was taken to manage media influence and protect juror privacy. In the end, voir dire was essential to forming a jury that could fairly judge the case despite all the outside noise. It helped weed out biased jurors, ensured the trial could go on smoothly, and clarified what jurors believed about the legal process. Without it, the fairness of the trial could have been compromised, making it a key step in this notorious case.